I get ripped off? 75 bucks for a 375 from Buffalo Trace? I don't know. Let's check it out. So the Buffalo Trace spent many, many years, 16 years actually, crafting the perfect bourbon, doing all kind of experiments, different wood, different part of the trees, making the barrels. And in this case, this is a Single Oak project. 10 years later, they released the so-called perfect bourbon. So let's check that out and see if that's true. Kind of a dud cork pop, but let's try it out. So this is the new rye bourbon. It is number 80. So this was, I guess they recreated from the original experiment. They recreated the best one. In this case, this one is 21. And I think I have 164. 21 is really good. It's definitely a bourbon. This is supposed to be more of a rye. Let's try it out. Okay, decent nose. Actually, we should compare it to the actual one of these originals and see how this does. Okay. What sucks is I broke the cork on this as soon as I got it previously. So let's check this out. You get a lot of cinnamon on the nose, rice spice, a little vanilla, a little caramel. Okay, let's check it out. Cheers. Okay, so let me try it against this one. Cheers. Of course, this is a bourbon versus a rye. Coats the glass nicely. This one does the same. Pretty similar colors on it, actually. This one's definitely more of a rye forward bourbon, or it's a rye. So you get some of the rice spice. You get kind of on the nose. Vanilla, caramel, cinnamon, the rice spice, but really a very, very short finish. Wow, it just falls off a cliff. Yeah, kind of disappointing, actually, as far as the finish on that one. Let's try this one again. This one tastes like a very aged Buffalo Trace. Like a small batch, like a very old one. That's what this one tastes like. Really good, easy sipper. Not a whole lot of complexity really to it. This one, not either. It's kind of falls flat, to be honest with you. I was excited to pick this one up. Went down to distillery, grabbed it. 75 bucks though. They're very proud of that. I think it might be a little overpriced for what it is. So just sharing my thoughts. Let me know yours. I'll see you next time for whiskey.